Now I'm in the Christmas land! Yay! Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a Christmas land with artificial snow and Christmas decorations. So let's start! So let's take the artificial snow and carefully. Okay, it's all okay. Okay, fine. So let's keep this here. Let's make it. Let's put it like a fluffy mat. So I would start with the tree there. This would go here in the middle. Here. There. Okay. This tree here. This tree here. There. So now that the trees are settled, let us put a car. It's going. Okay. We can put these candies. Sorry again. We can put this here. This one. So this much is done. We can put these little things. They look cute. I should put one green here. It's so big. Here. This big star can be here. Little snowman. Okay, so one can be in this car and one here. They're friends. These two are friends, and this one we'll see later. Now I guess we should put this. It's a really tiny gift. Let's put it here. This car can be here. This can be here. There. Great. We can put some more acorns, whatever you call it. There. And I think we should put the snowflake, which will look amazing. Where should I put it? So, the snowflake, I think we should keep here. Stand, little snowflake. There. Now, I should put this. These glittery Christmas trees. So, this one can be here. And I think I should not put this one. I'll put this one. And green is already there, so a golden one too. I don't know why I removed it. This car is not at the right place. Oh. The car, blink. The car can be here. And these cherries also I would like to use. A few. There. Let's see. Cherries. You won't get what I'm doing yet. I'm going to roll it like this. Okay. Two would be longer. So you see, these two and these three. So now this one would be really long. This twist, Now, so these three will put in a line. Then these two also will put at the back in a line. See? And now this one will put at the back. So you see, this is the tiniest Christmas tree anyone ever made. And I don't understand why it's so tiny. And this little cutie pie Santa, he should be here. His legs are hiding. I think he should sit in the car, but he needs a sleigh. So he can hide here. They have a reindeer and we have one. So there you go. This is Santa on a reindeer. So guys, these were not going anywhere. So I'm thinking to move this here and keep this here. Like this. And this one I'll move here. This one I'll keep here. Great. There. So now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Christmas trees. 7 Christmas trees and 1 cherry Christmas tree. I think now we should put this big, huge gift near Santa here. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna keep these little cutie cherries near the Christmas trees. So let's Christmas tree. Let's put it around the snowman too. Around the snowman only. Now we can put these things. I'm gonna take this out. Fine, sure. There. So I can keep this here and this here. I think this one I should keep here. There. Okay. It's almost done. I'm gonna take these drums, these ones. Now, these 2 little drums we can keep in front, one in front of the gift and one over it. No. One can be, I think 1 is enough. So guys, I'm going to replace this as it's really tiny. I'm gonna put this here. And I think these we should not put here. This is meant to be here. And this one too, it's meant to be here. Great. So these acorns, we can put this too. We can put at extra places, like anywhere. At some places. This acorn here. This one here. And one more thing, guys. This I had gotten from the old Christmas tree. It was loose, so I just took it out. It was not working. It was just bending. So I thought to make a wreath from it. So I can turn it like this and do like this. Turn like this, and the wreath's done. Then I can put a few cherries on it by rolling them around it. This is 1 cherry. There. This is the second. 2 cherries are there. Now this last one. This is the third one. So our wreath is completed. I thought of keeping this wreath here. It would, as this is, kind of the gate to this wonderland. And I can make some kind of, entrance kind of looking thing. Just a minute. I'm just making the stand a little stronger. There, like this. One more. There. I think it's done. So now our Christmas land is ready. Now I'm in the Christmas land. Yay!